Hello everyone. On this video I would like to show you our new PlierTek all-in-one compatible with iPad, iPhone, and MacBook. This is our traditional plier, iPad 234, still the same. Only difference is instead of having 5 heads we will have 3 heads. So corner sidewall in the same head, corner sidewall in the same head. Let me show you how it works. Just going to zoom in here. These are our new heads. Before, we would have separate heads for corners and sidewalls. In this case, as you can see, they're shaped for corner over there. Flip them around. We got them for sidewall. Pretty easy to use. We're eliminating head swapping and making the tool very easier to use. This is how it works. So we have our traditional corner right there. This tool is also compatible with the latest iPhone 7 Plus. As you can see, if we have a sidewall damage, all we have to do is just loosen up the 2 Allen wrenches and twist the heads. Excellent product, excellent quality, very easy to use. There you go, sidewall. Thanks for watching.